Next, we are going to demonstrate how does an auditor's manager or an auditor's supervisor utilize the platform for CAPA validation. Just like all other stakeholders, auditor's manager need to log in using the unique username and password. And once the auditor manager logs in, he or she needs to click on the Rupeek icon. On the left-hand side panel, there are modules of CAPA validation and audit report available for the auditor manager to access. Once the auditor manager clicks on the CAPA validation button and from the drop-down clicks on the relevant LOB and the date range for which CAPA validation is required, and after clicking the generate button, it will list down the transactions which require CAPA validation. After clicking on the view button under the action header, it will showcase the details of that particular transaction for which validation comments need to be provided. Just like all other windows, section A and section B are pre-filled. Along with that, it will have the list of all the non-compliant checkpoints along with comments written by the auditee manager as a part of RCA as well as corrective action and preventive action. So the auditor manager can review and analyze all these pointers. Towards the end, there is an option given for the auditor manager to put in CAPA validation comments. Let's just say if I want to put in, I am okay with CAPA measures. Now there are two options. If the auditor manager validates the CAPA, he or she needs to press on valid CAPA button and it will close loop the entire transaction. However, if the auditor manager requires certain updates or amendments or rectification in the RCA and CAPA comments, can scribble in those relevant comments here and click on the invalid CAPA button. And that's how the transaction will flow back to the auditee manager for final rectification.